10 Foods for Healthy Kidneys. The kidneys are extremely important organs. These natural filters help remove extra water and toxins from the blood, stimulate RBC production, and control blood pressure. But sadly, most of us take these vital organs for granted. According to the National Kidney Foundation, millions of people are affected by kidney disease. Besides the high treatment cost, the excruciating pain your body and loved ones will go through is unimaginable. So, start taking care of now. Here are the best foods to keep your kidneys healthy. 1. Water. Water is a miracle potion. It has the power to bring you back to health. But do not go overboard. The recommended amount of water to be consumed every day is 8 glasses for women and 13 for men. It is best to consult your doctor to understand how many glasses of water you should drink per day depending on the condition of your kidneys and daily activity. 2. Cabbage. Cabbage is a leafy vegetable that is packed with phytochemicals. The antioxidants present in it help scavenge the harmful free radicals in the body, thereby reducing the risk of cancer, cardiovascular disease, and renal dysfunction. Cabbage is a rich source of vitamins and minerals, but not the ones that are potentially harmful to the kidneys. 3. Red bell pepper. Red bell peppers are good for kidney health as they are low in potassium. They also add color and taste to the dish, along with vitamins C, B6, A, folic acid, and fiber. Red bell peppers contain the antioxidant lycopene that offers protection against some types of cancer. You can add red bell peppers to tuna, chicken salad, or just have them raw. 4. Onion. Onion breath might be a turn-off, but onions help keep your kidneys properly functioning. They contain flavonoids and quercetin that prevent the deposition of fatty material in the blood vessels. Quercetin is an antioxidant that can reduce the risk of heart disease and cancer. Onions are kidney-friendly and low in potassium. They also contain chromium that helps metabolize fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. 5. Garlic. Like onions, garlic has a pungent smell. However, it is one of the most potent herbal medicines. Plus, it helps enhance the flavor of foods to which it is added. Researchers have found significant evidence that garlic juice, along with metformin, a drug prescribed for diabetes type 2 patients, showed renoprotective effects. 6. Apples. Apple is a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help reduce bad cholesterol, heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Since diabetes is closely related to renal failure, consuming apples can help protect you from kidney problems. Apples can be eaten raw or cooked. You can also make a tasty beverage. 7. Lemon juice. Lemon juice has the potential to help treat kidney problems. The vitamin C and citric acid help maintain internal pH, promoting better health and stronger immunity. Drink lemon juice in the morning or before lunch. Make sure to dilute it in a cup of water and refrain from adding refined sugar. 8. Strawberries. Strawberries are a rich source of antioxidants, vitamin C, manganese, and fiber. They have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties and are a good choice for a healthy heart and kidneys. However, their contribution to better kidney health is contested. So, talk to your doctor before consuming them. 9. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants that help cleanse the body of toxins. They are rich in nutrients that can help reduce inflammation. Researchers found that blueberries could help inhibit the signaling pathways that lead to renal failure in animals with metabolic syndrome. So, include them in your breakfast to lose weight and protect your kidneys. 10. Cherries. Cherries are a rich source of antioxidants and phytochemicals that help protect your heart and kidneys. Consuming them daily helps in reducing inflammation in the body, especially in the kidneys. Here are the 10 foods for healthy kidneys. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up. Share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe.